Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change video background on Capcut. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my Capcut application, and before we change the video background, we have to remove the background of this video. We can click on the video and we have to scroll all the way to the right until we find the remove background. Click on this remove background feature, and then you can select auto removal to automatically remove your background like this. And now as you can see that the background has been removed, and I'm going to change this video background. We can go to the background option guys right here, and then here you can select color, image, or blur. You can choose blur if you want to blur your background. And here I'm just going to select image. I'm going to replace my background with image. We can use the image that is available on CapCut, or we can also import our own image from the gallery. I'm just going to import image from my gallery. I'm gonna go with this one, and now as you can see that the background of my video has been changed. And if we want to replace this background with the video background, we can import the video background. We want to make it as our background, we can click on this plus button, and for instance I'm going to select this video as my background. We can just add this video to our CapCut project, and we can make this video as an overlay. Click on the video, and then you can click on overlay. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the background has been replaced with this video. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove background. That's how we can change video background on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.